You asked, how to divide 11,977 by 100 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 11 is too small. Use 119. 119 divided by 100 equals 1. 1 times 100 equals 100. 119 minus 100 equals 19. Bring down 7, making 197. 197 divided by 100 equals 1. 1 times 100 equals 100. 197 minus 100 equals 97. Bring down 7, making 977. 977 divided by 100 equals 9. 9 times 100 equals 900. 977 minus 900 equals 77. The remainder is 77. The final result is 119 remainder 77.